In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete social media account from Hootsuite. If you no longer manage a specific social profile, removing it from your Hootsuite organization helps keep your workspace organized and prevents you from using the wrong account later. To begin, you will sign into Hootsuite. Open your web browser and go to Hootsuite, then log in using the credentials you normally use for your account. Take a moment to make sure you are signed into the correct workspace, since actions like deletion apply to the organization you are currently viewing. After you are logged in successfully, you will be taken to your Hootsuite dashboard. Next, you will find the area where connected accounts are managed. Look at the left sidebar of the screen, since this is where Hootsuite groups its main navigation options. In the left sidebar, click Profile, then Social Accounts and Teams. This section is important because it is specifically designed to show the social accounts that are linked to your organization and the teams that can access them. After you open Social Accounts and Teams, you will see a list of connected social media accounts. This is where you will choose the account you want to remove. Scroll through the list and identify the correct social account. For example, confirm that the account name or handle matches the profile you no longer need. If you remove the wrong account, it will be deleted from the organization, so it is worth double-checking before you continue. Once you have selected the account you want to remove, you will open its Options menu, find the arrow next to that account. Click the arrow to reveal more actions related to the selected social account. Immediately after you do this, look for the menu icon that appears as 3 dots, marked as a 3 dots menu. Clicking the 3 dots menu is the step that exposes the administrative actions, including the option to delete. Now you will choose the deletion action from the 3 dots menu. Click Delete from Organization. This tells Hootsuite that you want to remove the selected social account from the organization itself, not just hide it or change a display setting. At this point, you should pay attention to any text that indicates what will happen when the account is deleted. This ensures you understand the impact before Hootsuite proceeds. Finally, you will confirm the deletion when prompted. After you click Delete from Organization, a confirmation message or prompt will appear. Review the prompt carefully, then confirm that you want to proceed with deleting the account. Depending on your organization settings, you may be asked to confirm one more time. If you are sure it is the correct account, go ahead and confirm. If you are not sure, you can cancel and return to the list to double-check. Once the confirmation is complete, Hootsuite will remove the social account from your organization. You may notice the account no longer appears in the Social Accounts and Teams list. That is the sign that the deletion process finished successfully. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.